Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix error IS-0003 on Epic Games install failed could not create directory. So if you're looking for a quick guide to fix this, stay tuned because this video is for you. So IS-0003 install failed could not create directory. This error typically appears when you are trying to update or install a game. So to resolve this issue, clear your Epic Games Launcher's web cache. So exit the Epic Games Launcher by right-clicking the system tray icon in the bottom right corner and then click exit, right? And then press Windows R and then type local app data. And then press enter to open the File Explorer window. Open the Epic Games Launcher folder and then open the saved folder. So in the saved folder, click the web cache folder and then delete it. So if there is a folder called web cache underscore 4147 and or web cache 4430, delete those as well. So after that, restart your computer and then relaunch Epic Games Launcher as admin. And then try to update or install the game again. And that should work. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.